American Towman Magazine, first on the scene for the towing industry since 1977.
American Towman TV.
Welcome to Tow Industry Week. I'm Emily Oz. Here's another edition of the Manufacturer's Spotlight from the show floor of the Baltimore Convention Center. Let's get an equipment update from Custom Built Manufacturing, straight from the show floor of the American Towman Exposition. Howard Kritzer speaks on behalf of Custom Built and their Quick Tow Wrecker on a Freightliner.
So this one here is it's a quick tow unit only. It does not have a recovery boom on it. It just is towing capabilities. It's great for in-city. It's a single axle unit, perfect for doing tractor swaps, Penske trucks, motorhomes. It's a 4-door chassis, which is unique. So you can actually get 5 people in there, all seat belted in, so you can pick up a motorhome with the family in it and keep moving with them. So on this unit here, some of its specifics are 28,000 pound underlift. When it's fully extended, it's 14,000 pound underlift. 4-door chassis, a DD15 engine, along with a 10-speed transmission, and it's a single axle, easy for maneuverability, easy to get around town with, great for towing any kind of small tractor or box truck you'd like to tow. It's been wonderful. We've had a great show here. Everyone loves the color of this truck in particular and its maneuverability. We're happy to be here. We've been here for about 12 years now, and every show's been great. The customer base has been good here at the show. Even though we had horrible weather at the beginning of the week, everybody seems to have showed up.
Thank you, Howard. And stay tuned to American Towman TV as we'll head back to the show floor in Baltimore to feature the rest of the manufacturers on display at the world's biggest tow show.